Well, hold on to your hats for a financial history lesson you didn't ask for. Back in May 2010, two large Papa John's pizzas cost a cool 10,000 bitcoins, BTC. Today, that same amount of BTC would buy you a fleet of sports cars and a private island. Hindsight is a wonderful thing, but it does leave us with a lingering question: how can we get in on this whole cryptocurrency craze? Well, if you're interested specifically in Bitcoin, then Kraken is a popular and secure platform to take your first dive. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of buying BTC on Kraken, let's rewind a bit. This video assumes you're a curious newcomer, so we'll establish a strong foundation before diving into the buying process. What is Bitcoin anyway? Imagine a digital payment system that cuts out the middleman, like banks. That's essentially what Bitcoin is. It's a decentralized currency, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger, ensuring transparency and security. Why buy Bitcoin on Kraken? Kraken boasts a strong reputation as a secure and reliable cryptocurrency exchange. They offer a user-friendly platform for beginners and seasoned traders alike. Plus, they have a vast array of cryptocurrencies available for trading, not just Bitcoin. All right, let's buy some Bitcoin. Here's where things get interesting. First things first, you'll need to create a Kraken account. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll provide your email, set a strong password, and verify your identity. Funding your Kraken account. Once your account is sparkling new, it's time to pump some funds in. Kraken offers a variety of funding methods, depending on your location. This could include bank transfers, credit cards, even Apple or Google Pay. Important side note: while credit cards are an option, be mindful of potential fees associated with them. The moment of truth: buying Bitcoin. With your account funded, you're ready to take the plunge. Head over to the Buy Crypto section of the platform. Kraken offers two main ways to buy Bitcoin. Instant Buy. This is the fast and easy option, perfect for beginners. You simply enter the amount of USD you want to spend and Kraken will do the conversion for you at the current market price. Keep in mind, this method typically comes with slightly higher fees. Order book trading. This is where things get a bit more technical. Here, you have more control over your purchase. You can set a limit order, specifying the price you're willing to pay for Bitcoin, or a market order, where you prioritize getting the order filled immediately over price. Exploring order book trading might be daunting at first, but Kraken has a wealth of resources to help you navigate this option. Storing your Bitcoin. Once you've successfully purchased your Bitcoin, it's crucial to store it securely. Kraken offers its own wallet service, but many users prefer to transfer their Bitcoin to a personal digital wallet for an extra layer of security. Do your research on different wallet options before making a decision. A few words of caution. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's also volatile. The value of Bitcoin can fluctuate significantly, so it's wise to only invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So, there you have it. A crash course on buying Bitcoin with Kraken. Remember, this is just the first step on your crypto journey. Keep learning, stay informed, and happy trading. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.